This way, keep coming, keep coming. Whoa! Hi, I'm Harmony and I'm going to show you how to build strong electric fences. And we're going to do it fast and easy with the Gallagher trailer. First up, trailer safety. We've got to make sure the hitch is on, jockey wheels up and the chain is hooked up. Did I really have to tell you that? There's one more safety feature. If you ever take the trailer off, there's a stand for it. This trailer lets you run out up to 50 of these eye posts at a time, which is up to 200 meters of fence. Now let's set it up. Take the straps off the rack. Now we've got to get someone strong to help you lift the rack. That's the hard work done. Now we'll thread our line wires. This is a two-person job. There you go. And now we'll load the posts. Make sure the big gap on the post is to the top when you're loading it on. The rest is easy. And now we thread the needle. Now Jake's going to tie off while I put in the rest of the steel posts.
So I use a cut down steel post to do my spacings for my wires, and we're just doing every second as a spacing with this fence. The holes on your eye post match your steel post.
This bit is really easy. Make sure you're standing to the side of the trailer instead of behind the trailer, just so your driver can see you in the rear view mirrors. I'm just dropping off 2 posts in between each picket. And 1 at each steel picket. Just make sure you're standing at the back of the trailer for when you're feeding them out. Now all we got to do is clip the fence off. You use a clip like this for steel posts. And you use a clip like this for the suspended posts. And you've got to use 2 clips per eye post, top and bottom. Don't be a silly Billy and use 1 clip and then complain it doesn't work. Used correctly, this fence is powerful and effective. If you like this kind of content, make sure you click the subscribe button down there. Come on, it doesn't cost you anything.